No, it's this street, right? Yes, I'm close to. I thought it is this street. Wait. I can't keep up with this. Oh yeah. Wait. Don't keep walking. Wait.
Where?
Not yet.
Alright.
No one coming.
I didn't know that Russell's coming. I almost
She's gonna go.
blew it. No, I almost blew it.
Yes, you did. My face is red, right?
She's like, you're walking down the street to meet me, and I'm like, yeah, I was talking to people. Oh, okay, well, don't hyperventilate. And I'm like,
Don't hyper what?
hyperventilate is when you go
She thinks I know what that means.
your brain from like being like dehydrated or whatever.
Dehydrated?
Yeah.
Dehydrated? That's
I'm
a new word.
dehydrated because I'm having a heart attack because I haven't seen her forever, and I wonder what she looks like.
I wonder what you look
Oh
like.
my God!
Who's that?
I knew her. I remember asking her, dude, can I have your Ever Lavigne pass? And she's like, no. She was wearing like an economical sided.
Here. 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 No. 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 Don't run. Don't. My pants are super tight.
Is that her mom?
Run. I don't want to. I don't want to. Who did you bring with you? Woo! 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 Oh, where did my dad go?
He's gonna
come pick her up in a little bit.
Where's my hug?
Okay, say hi.